Hi, I'm at the Williamsburg Library, and I'm using the computer, and this is what I've been hearing continuously since I've been on the computer. And then there's another person that periodically goes this. And that happens about every 5 minutes. And then there's a guy in the back every now and then goes. And the whole time I'm at the computer. And this is 10 years in just about every library I go to. And I'm serious. There's the computer. Here am I, unemployed for 10 years, having this nation take me out of China, using corruption and crime, and holding me hostage to their classified operation that mines my thoughts and sends people around me to sanction them to make horrible throat noises on the subways and wherever I go.